Ayun si asawa, paalis na from his para sa kanyang second work. Sabi niya lumabas ako kasi nag-i-snow. Oo nga, ayan na. Pumapatak na ang snow. Kaya pala sobrang lamig. Teka, papasok na ako ha. Pinakita ko lang. Nag-uumpisa pa lang naman siya. Baka hindi naman yan magstay. Lamig. Ayan. Teka, humina. Ba't ganun? Pag inaano ko. Tingnan niyo yung ano Ayan yung nest. Iba talaga yung nest na ginagawa nila ng mga ibon. Sa loob. Nandun sila sa loob. Parang ginawa talaga nilang bahay yan. Siguro dahil panlaban sa lamig. Ayan, makita nyo? Walang araw. Nakalagay sa aming weather ay may araw dapat ngayon. Diba? At alam ko naman kahit sa ibang bansa ganun din. Very weird ang weather. So, ako ay magpapahinga muna. O, ayan, hindi naman tumuloy yung snow. At umaraw pa. O, diba? Ay, nawawala yung araw. Ang gulo. Tapos parang may bumabaksak na konting Kasi yung madilim, aabangan natin yan kung ano talaga ang gusto ng ating panahon. Uy, idadaan daw ako sa Seafood City. Wee! Pero hindi naman mag-grocery doon kasi nag-grocery na ako kahapon. Ay, baka pala doon ako tumingin ng turmeric. Pero kung walang turmeric, ginger na lang. Hindi ko kasi alam kung very, yung strong, yung taste ng turmeric. Titignan ko. May fresh turmeric kasi dun
Irita ako sa tomato.
Ayan na, ang favorite place ko.
Hanapin ko nga sa natin.
Seafood City.
Ikaw na bumili ng kakainin. O mamimili ka muna. Bibili mo muna yung bibili mo.
Pag natanong mo na muna si Mitch na kung gustong pandesal.
He gives saltfish chicken. He dries on top of his saltfish he have anything else. And I come with catfish. When I get to the immigration, I say, what is it? What you want to do? You get it. And you want me to pack it back? Well, still taste some people. The line will go past. You do like two. You buy that and you eat I don't even notice you. That's a shift there. Yeah, that's a shift. That's the rate we come to buy?
That's the tweet. They have it fresh.
Oh, okay.
Hang on.
Ayan, Seafood City naman kami. Isang combo meal ang binili namin kasi kumain naman kami. This is dinuguan or tinumis. Tapos yung favorite kong shrimp. Welcome back again to Easy Cooking with Irene. Ito, hindi ko na to na video, but pakita ko lang sa inyo yung niluto ko, okay? So, ito yung picadillo beef na merong ground beef yan. Sauteed in garlic, onion, tapos may kamatis, and then nilagyan ko ng konting sabaw and pechay. Baon ni husband yan. Kasi mahirap tong niluto ko na isa. Hindi niya to mababaon. Ito yung young jackfruit. Isang lata lang. Kaya mas marami yung ano. Yan. This is young jackfruit in coconut milk. Yan. Ito oh. And I also I added konting ground beef. Kasi para makakain si husband. Hindi niya kasi type yung ganito. Maliliit kasi. And ito ay nabili ko sa TNT. This one, the blue crabs. These are live blue crabs that I bought yesterday. Yeah. See? Nice crab roe. Kaya lang very small. The blue crabs here are very small. Kaya mahirap kainin. Kaya ayaw ni husband. Yeah. So this will be our lunch. Oh, sarap po. Pauwi na siya. It's 11:15 a.m. Ready na rin ang kanyang orange fruit na baon, and this is sandwich with spam. Kukuha ko na lang siya ng kanin tsaka yung ulam, at maaga daw siyang aalis today.
You're 11 this week. Oh. Yeah.
You're lucky we were near an accident.
We can check it out. When was the last time you changed it? Haven't changed it since you bought it? Okay, sure. We'll check it out, then we'll let you know. Is that okay? Okay, no problem.
Yan, ready na ang baon ni husband. Ang kanyang, kumbaga 6 o'clock yung kain nila ng una. Ito yung rice with fried tilapia. Tapos yung gatang langka. Ito kasi may alimasag, pero mahirap naman kasing kainin yung alimasag. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-ano niya, dessert, grapes. Tapos sa hapon, bali 9 o'clock ng gabi, coffee time nila. So, meron siyang fried saba. Yun. Nag-boil ako ng this is chicken bones and pork. At ako'y magpapansit bihon bukas, at meron kaming bisita. May bisita si husband. So, nilagyan ko lang to celery, onion, salt, and pepper. Yun, malambot na yan. Para bukas madali na. Nagluluto ako ng bihon. Inumpisahan ko na. Ito yung pinagboilan ko ng chicken bones and yung pork. Ito na yon. May bawang, sibuyas, chicken, meat, pork. Tapos may Chinese sausage. This is Chinese celery or kinchay. Pero bago yan, nag-saute muna ako ng garlic, onion, and then yung mga vegetables like cabbage, bichuelas, carrots. So, pagkakainin, maglalagay na lang nun kasi minsan napapanis, no? Okay, nilagay ko na yung broth to season and adding chicken broth. That's Knorr. Tapos pepper. And I'm using the dark soy sauce. Lipon Tea Premium Dark Soy Sauce. Ang sarap nito. Tapos I'll just boil this and add the noodles. Nilagay ko na yung pansit. I'm using 2 forks para siya haluin. Siyempre, right and left hand diyan na. Para madaling matanggal yung ganito. Tsaka mas maganda yung paghalo niya. Tapos, I will just taste this later. If I need more soy sauce, I'll add more soy sauce. Okay? So, this is done. This is my pancit bihon. As I've said, the vegetables, this one, the vegetables, ito yon, separate siya. So, if I will reheat this, I will just add the vegetables on top of the noodle. Para iwas din sa panis, and it's hot na here. So, we don't want this much to spoil. Diba? Ang dami eh. Yun. So, I have also better or longer tutorial of this. I will add this in the description box na lang. Okay? Kasi paulit-ulit na naman ako nagluluto nito eh. Okay, thank you for watching.